My name is Rejuan. I am studying in first standard.
My name is Fatifa. I am studying in first standard.
My name is Shivu Mandal. I am studying in first standard.
States and capitals.
States and capitals. Andhra Pradesh, Amravati, Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar, Assam, Dispur, Bihar, Patna, Chhattisgarh, Raipur, Goa, Panachi, Gujarat, Gandhinagar, Haryana, Chandigarh, Himachal Pradesh, Shimla, Jharkhand, Rajgir, Karnataka, Bengaluru, Kerala, Vinananthapuram, Madhya Pradesh, Gopal, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Manipur, Impal, Meghalaya, Shillong, Mizoram, Mysore, Nagaland, Kohima, Odisha, Bhubaneswar, Punjab, Chandigarh, Rajasthan, Jaipur, Sikkim, Gangtok, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Telangana, Hyderabad, Tripura, Agartala, Uttarakhand, Dehradun, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, West Bengal, Kolkata.
Jnanapith Awards winners from Karnataka.
Jnanapith Awards winner from Karnataka, Kuvenpu, Dr. Vendra, Shivaram Karan, Makki Venkatesh Jayankar, D.K. Gokar, U.R. Anantamurthy, Girish Karnad, Chandrasekhar Kamara.
7 continents of the world.
7 continents of the world: Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia.
4 Vedas.
4 Vedas: Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvana Veda.
Rivers of India.
Rivers of India: Brahmaputra, Ganga, Godavari, Indus, Kaveri, Krishna, Mahanadi, Narmada, Periyar, Taminavarani, Vaigal, Yamuna.
Names of Rutus.
Names of Rutus: Vasanta Rutu, Grishma Rutu,
Varsha Rutu.
Varsha Rutu, Shira Rutu.
Hindu lunar months.
Hindu lunar months: Chaitra, Vaishakha, Jaisha, Ashina, Shamna, Bhadrapada, Kartika, Namashida, Pusha, Nava, Balguna.
Indian festivals.
Indian festivals: Ganesha Chaturthi, Navaratri, Dasara, Deepavali, Mahashivaratri, Christmas, Eid, Holi, Muharram, Good Friday.
Districts in Karnataka.
Districts in Karnataka: Bagalkot, Bellary, Bijan, Bengaluru.
fighters of India.
Women freedom fighters of India. Durgabai Deshmukh, Anna Safali, Suchendra Klipani, Kittur Rani Channamma, Kenagi Channamma, Onake Oppava, Vijay Lakshmi Pandey, Sarojini Naidu, Jhansi Rani Lakshmibai.
Indian monuments.
Indian monuments, Agra Fort, Ajanta Caves, Charminar, Gateway of India, Golden Temple, Gol Gumbaz, Hampi Temple, Iron Pillar, Jama Masjid, Khajuraho Temple, Neg Palace, Mysore Palace, Qutub Minar, Red Fort, Taj Mahal.
Parts of speech.
Parts of which noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection.
Top 10 Indian scientists.
Top 10 Indian scientists: Srinivas Ramanujan, C.V. Raman, Homi Bhabha, Jagdish Chandra Bose, Meghnad Saha, Satyendranath Bose, Anup Dekkar, APJ Abdul Kalam.
Dashavatara of Lord Vishnu.
Dasharatara of Lord Vishnu, Matsya, Purna, Varaha, Narasimha, Vamana, Parshurama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Kalki.
Planets in solar system.
Planets in solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
Colors in rainbow.
Colors in rainbow: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red.
Neighboring countries of India.
Neighboring countries of India: Afghanistan, Bangladesh.